Hi, I'm Alex Mitchell with RDO Equipment Company out of Moorhead, Minnesota. RDO has been providing equipment solutions for our agriculture and construction industries for over 50 years. But did you know that we're also the trusted partner for commercial snow and landscape contractors as well? Here at RDO Equipment Company, our commitment to you is to make sure that we are offering the latest and greatest in snow equipment technology. This technology is not only going to save you time and money, but it's also going to put more profit in your bottom line. John Deere has also stepped up their game when it comes to providing specially equipped tractors to handle the harsh conditions of winter, while providing maximum operator comfort. Let's take a closer look at the unique features that make up a John Deere snow cab tractor. The name snow cab is a bit misleading. The cabs on the John Deere snow cab tractors are the normal deluxe cabs found on 4R tractors with deluxe air ride seats. In the past, having a cab didn't however mean you always got a radio, but this year, John Deere has now decided to include a factory installed radio, and for a few bucks more, you can have your dealer install a Bluetooth radio. Another main benefit of having a John Deere 4R snow cab tractor is the addition of the factory installed 4th and 5th rear SCVs. This saves either the operator or the shop time in setting up a snowblower or rear attachment from running lines to the mid-stack SCV. Rather, these are already factory installed here, so we can install our hydraulic lines to run our chute rotation or chute deflection right up to the rear of the tractor, and we're off to the races. Snow cab tractors also come equipped standard with an engine block heater. While this isn't necessarily a huge cost savings, it is very convenient to have it installed at the factory. Safety is always a major concern for snow removal companies, so another nice feature on snow cab tractors is that they come with a large safety beacon as standard equipment on the cab. And finally, one of the biggest benefits of buying a John Deere snow cab specialty tractor are the tires and rims. These specialty winter tires from Nokian fit on John Deere R1A rims and provide the ultimate performance for snow handling and removal. Now it's worth noting, this tire configuration upgrade does come with an increased cost. However, starting with standard R4 tires and rims and then trying to change them out will in the long run cost you more time, money, and a headache. We have a select few tractors left in this year's inventory, so if you're a commercial customer that's looking to add a tractor or two to your fleet, or maybe you're a farmer out there that needs a new tractor to manage the snow on your property, contact your nearest RDO equipment dealership to see if we have the right tractor to fit your needs.